अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स आज की हमारी वीडियो इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश है फ्रेंड्स। किसी ने मुझे कमेंट्स किया था कि आप इंग्लिश वीडियो ले आइए। सो फ्रेंड्स उन्हीं की रिक्वेस्ट पर मैं आज की वीडियो इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश लाई हूँ फ्रेंड्स ये एक मोटिवेशनल स्टोरी है फ्रेंड्स के इसमें आपको बहुत अच्छा सीखने को मिलेगा फ्रेंड्स, और आपका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन भी होगा फ्रेंड्स। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। द वीवर्स लास्ट थ्रेड इन द हार्ट ऑफ हैदराबाद, amidst the bustling markets and the quiet hum of everyday life, lived an old woman named Amijan. Her face was a map of wrinkles, each line a story aged by time, and her eyes, though clouded with age, still held a spark of gentle wisdom. Amijan was known throughout the village for her exquisite hand-woven baskets, each one a testament to her decades of skill and patience. But time, as always does, had begun to slow Amijan's nimble fingers. Her eyesight, once sharp enough to distinguish the fine threads, now struggled with even the simplest patterns. Her back ached constantly, and the long hours hunched over her weaving loom became increasingly difficult. She saw fewer customers, and the major earning barely covered her daily needs. A quiet despair began to settle in her heart. She wondering if her weaving days were truly over. One wished one sweltering afternoon, a young woman, a city newcomer with bright, curious eyes, approached Amijan's stall. She began, her voice soft and respectful. "Your baskets are beautiful, but I need something unique, something that tells a story. Can you weave me a basket that holds the essence of Hyderabad?" Amijan hesitated. The request was daunting, considering her failing strength, but the young woman's sincerity ignited a flicker of her old passion with renewed determination. She began to work. She chose threads of sun-baked earth, the vibrant greens of the fields, and the deep blues of the monsoon sky. With every knot and weave she poured her memories into the basket, the laughter of children, the scent of rain on dry earth, the melodies of folk songs. Days turned into a week, and finally the basket was complete. It was not just basket, it was a tangible piece of Hyderabad, alive with its color and spirit. When the young woman returned, her eyes widened in a view. "It's perfect, Amijan. It's more than I could have imagined." She paid Amijan generously, more than she had earned in months. Oh, as the young woman left, Amijan held the money in her trembling hand. It was not just the money, it was the validation, the knowledge that her skill still held value, that her stories could still be woven into something beautiful. A tear trickled down her wrinkled cheek, not of sadness but of profound gratitude. She knew then, as long as she had thread and a story to tell, her life art would continue to weave on. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो फ्रेंड्स। आई होप यू लाइक इट दिस स्टोरी फ्रेंड्स। इफ़ यू लाइक देन कमेंट मी and subscribe me and share friends.